Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel, and in this video I will also show you how to easily and quickly disable Safe Search in Google account on your device. Don't forget friends, subscribe to our channel. Please put your likes, also please write comments after watching. So let us friends, we are going to start with you. And you will need to start by opening Google, which you use on your iPhone or Android device, it doesn't matter. You will need to either open Google search engine or maybe open Google Chrome. It doesn't make any difference. I'm going to do it through Safari. So, you open Google or Google Chrome, and at the top right, find your image of your Google account. If it's unfortunately not there, then you'll first need to add some sort of your Google account to connect it to Google Search or Google Chrome. After that, click on your profile picture, scroll around a bit, click on the Save Search section. And here, if you have any of the first two options connected, this is the blur filter, then just switch to the last section off. And go back so you can save the changes that you made. Dear friends, this is how you can quickly disable Safe Search in your Google account. I really hope you found the video useful and that it helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be sure to give your likes. See you friends.